Hey everyone, it is Sparkle and welcome back to my channel. So you guys, I'm going to decorate my laundry room. It's really small, but it's okay. So I'm going to make it work. But last night I did paint it. Yes, I painted my laundry room. I had some leftover paint from when I did my living room and my dining area. And the color is ultra white. And that is an eyesore that I will cover up. You guys, you will see that later on in the video. But yeah, so all the items that I'm going to use I already had. So I shot my home. I did not go out and buy anything new. I did not want to spend any more money, especially on my laundry room at this time. So yeah, so just keep on watching. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. Okay, you guys, so I am going to use these canvas. These are from Home Goods. And I never really use these. They just been stored away, taking up space. So I decided to go ahead and use these. I believe the price of them, I think they were $50. I don't know if it was $50 or $60 each, but yeah. So I bought those separate, and I think they're really cute. I never use the color yellow in my home, so I don't know why I bought these, but yeah. But I had those stored away, and I decided to use them in my laundry room. And I am struggling trying to hang up this canvas. Like, it really was getting on my nerves. I got the other one right with no problem, but this one was giving me trouble. But I do end up getting it together. And this is not going to be your typical laundry room where you see a lot of laundry decor. Like I said, I'm just using what I already have in my home. So, finally got that out the way. And I think I did pretty good, y'all. Now I'm going to need somewhere to store my broom and my dustpan and my Swiffer. So I'm going to use this, what do you call it? A door rack. And this is from Dollar Tree. So that is where I'm going to hang my broom and my Swiffer. Just going to hang it on the back of the door like so. And this is just some storage that my mom gave me. This was a pot for a plant, and she was not using it, so I just stored some paint stuff in there and got my cleaning products in that bin. And that tray I got from Walmart. Is by Better Homes and Gardens. Yeah, so those two baskets are also from Walmart. And I think that basket is from Ross, and it just has random stuff in there. And that is some extra bleach that I have on hand. Okay, so I'm going to use these magnolias. I love these. These are faux magnolias. These are from Home Goods. And at the other end of the shelf, I'm going to use this faux plant that is from Home Goods also. So this is a caddy that is from Walmart. It is by Better Homes and Gardens. Now I bought this, I think like 2 months ago. So I'm not going to use it for a caddy. I am just adding in some floral pieces that I bought around Christmas from Joann's. And I'm able to weave the greenery onto the basket how I want it. And I'm going to use some, it's a bouquet of flowers that I got at Burlington for $7.99. So you'll see me add those in there also. And so that is going to be my centerpiece to put on the shelf. And I think it turned out pretty good. Yeah, so I'm just going to place that up there on the shelf in the middle. And I like how everything flows together. So my dryer, I know it is dated, but it works just fine. And I'm not going to buy a new one. So I'm just going to make it work. Just dress it up a little. And I'm going to use these 3 placemats. These are table placemats that came from Ross. So I'm just going to place those on top of my dryer, just to make it look like something. And you'll see me add this white tray. It is faux marble. And that is also from Walmart by Better Homes and Gardens. I love Better Homes and Gardens, y'all. And I'm just going to place my fabric softeners and fabric sheets on top of that. So I guess you can say this is my laundry vignettes that I'm doing. And I'm going to use this hand towel that is from Big Lots. And it's a laundry room, so I said let me add 3 hangers, you know, just for decoration. This rug is from Walmart, and y'all already know it is by Better Homes and Gardens. I'm telling y'all, that is, oh my goodness. But it is really soft. I bought this maybe 2-3 months ago. And I'm just going to place that in front of my washing machine and my dryer. Now I have to get that circuit box covered up because that is bothering me. So I just decided to use a hand towel, a kitchen hand towel, and there you have it.